Hi everyone, this is Galen Martling. Today I have a really sweet Highland Cow card that's uplifting, could be for a get well or just for support. And I'm using Unity Stamp Company stamps, the little high road, that's this cute little cow, Highland Cow. And I'm using various die cuts to cut it out and also use an accent using one of the dies. So the circle die that I used, I flipped over and I added a little bit of ink blending using the die cut piece of paper as a mask. And I made a little sky, and it'll be mimicking really like he's sitting on a hill, if you will. And then I just added some more ink blending towards the bottom to mimic the ground. And so that was done in just a blue and a brown Distress Oxide ink colors. And then I went ahead and used some brown colors in about 4 different shades of Copic markers for coloring, but use what you have. I decided to go ahead and make this cute little cow in brown, and just real easy, just adding some touches. I like to add it light to dark colors and sometimes go back in dark to light. And then just play with the colors and see what you like. There's no rules for this. Just do what you would like and use what you have. Now, these are nesting dies. So this particular arch die, this is the smallest one I'm using. It's not the smallest in the set, but I'm using the cow panel as the small piece. The next largest piece I'm using is a black frame layer for that, using black cardstock. I have a die cut circle there in the middle for to mimic a hole punch, or use just a hole punch if you have that. And just tie some hemp twine or just regular twine or cording into that tag. Now, with this brown piece that I cut out with the circle die, I just added a little bit of double-sided flat tape to the top of this panel, this card front panel in blue, and I just went down about halfway with that circle to adhere that. Now I have these great scissors by Tim Holtz. These are non-stick scissors that are just wonderful. I love it. They cut like butter. The best part about these that I think is that they cut very straight line very easily, and they are non-stick. So I am going to cut some foam tape off of that sentiment label in a minute, and it did not stick to the scissors. It's wonderful. It comes right off. So I added, I stamped the sentiment and cut it with one of the circle dies. I think I picked the smallest die for the sentiment, and I offset that on the side. And the foam tape is on the bottom part of that label, and just flat tape is on the top, and it lays evenly. There you go. I hope you like it. I hope you give this a try. It's very easy card layering, and it's great for encouragement. I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching.